Option B says assign an owner to the risk. Every risk should have an owner. Like absolutely every risk should have an owner until and unless that risk is a low priority risk. For low priority risk, you may have an owner, you may not have an owner, because low priority risks usually do not demand any response plan. Right? They are just there in the watch list, and probably somebody who is like the owner of the overall process, which usually is a project manager, they just keep an eye on that on those risks until and unless they become more prioritized or more critical in the project. So if the risk is a significant one, this is clear that this is not a low priority risk. This is definitely a high or critical priority risk. Nowhere in the situation we had asked, we had talked about having an owner to the risk. We just talked about knowing the risk, addressing it, coming up with a response plan, and getting it approved from the stakeholder. But where is the ownership? Where is that person who is going to keep an eye on that risk? It's different attributes associated with that. Like when is that time to apply the response plan, which is option C. We are going to talk about it. How we are going to apply that response plan, which different team members or which different stakeholders we need to interact with. The owner, the accountable person to that risk, is going to take care of that. So assigning an owner to the risk is directly related to its effective implementation when it's the right time to apply the response plan to the risk or the action step to the risk. So B is a very good choice in this case, because probably we are missing an owner. Even if everything is in place, but the owner is not there, then who is going to take that responsibility that yes, now I am the person who knows that now is the time to apply the response plan or that action step to the risk. Option B is the right answer to this question.